and today our class will be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of social media. As you know, many people now use social media, and that is why we have decided to do this topic. There will be two groups, Group A for advantages and Group B for disadvantages. I will be asking them some questions, and they will have 2 minutes to discuss their answer. And now let's begin. And my first question to the groups is, what is your general idea of social media?
Okay, social media is a large platform used for things such as communication, education, and entertainment.
Okay, it decreases face-to-face communication skills, and there's some scenes that disturb children, and it's bad for communication.
Okay. So another question, how do you think social media affects mental health? You have 2 minutes to discuss with your group.
So, social media serves as an excellent stress reliever. If there's something going on in your life, it's very easy to go on social media, find content creators and people you like to watch, and unwind a little bit. And it's also perfect for many different applications you can find, where you have easy access to people who are in similar situations to yours, so they can provide support, as well as different therapists.
Okay, thank you. And now the disadvantages.
Okay, so before people used to spend their times with their friend and playing outside hanging out with their friends. But nowadays people are spending their times playing video games, and it actually can cause lack emotional connection.
Thank you.
Communication.
Now another question for the groups. What are your views on cyberbullying on social media? Can it be ignored or prevented? You have 2 minutes to discuss.
Yes, absolutely, we can prevent cyberbullying because if the parent doesn't have control over their child, it can also lead to depression, suicide, and also other mental health problems.
Okay, so cyberbullying can actually cause the child at any age to physically and mentally harm themselves. It can lead to suicide, depression, and loneliness.
And now the last question for this discussion. What are your opinions on online shopping? Some people say it's useful, and some people say it's not. So what do you think? You have 2 minutes to discuss. Okay, so first, the advantages.
I think that it helps a lot of disabled and older people, so it can also save time. And whenever you're in a rush, you could just order something that you need, or you could, instead of going there by yourself, if you're scared or maybe alone, you could just order online.
Thank you. And disadvantages?
So sometimes you may get scammed. Let's say you ordered a well-known brand from a website, but they give you a fake one instead. They gave you the fake material. Or let's say I would like to buy something and the price is way too high. You can also get scammed by money.
Thank you. And that will be the end of our discussion. Thank you so much, everyone, and the groups for your ideas. And I hope that you take in these ideas and think of them in your daily life.